If your dishwasher stopped draining water right after you replace your garbage disposal unit, it's a common problem and most likely because dishwasher plug has not been removed from the garbage disposal. The plug is located right here and you need to knock it out. And for that you could use a regular screwdriver, however, they don't recommend to use sharp objects because you potentially could puncture the hole in the plug without actually removing the plug. So if you have a blunt instrument, insert it into discharge inlet and knock it out with a hammer. Hit it a few times until it comes out. This is how the plug looks like. And since you probably already installed your garbage disposal, you don't have to take it down. Simply unplug it from the wall, unscrew the clamp that holds dishwasher hose, and remove it. But keep a bucket underneath, you probably have a lot of water in that hose. Now insert blunt instrument into discharge inlet and knock the plug out. Then you can pick up the plug from the top of the sink or just leave it there and grind it down. It will make a lot of noise, but eventually it will go away. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, subscribe, and also hit the like button. Thanks.